Today we are going to learn about the lesson diversity in our society. In the earlier chapters, we saw how the land on which we live is so varied and that the life of people is so diverse. Diversity in our neighborhood. You will learn that people are different from each other in many ways. They might also belong to different regional, cultural, or religious backgrounds. Diversity in India. We live in a country in which people of different abilities, languages, cultures, religions, etc. live together. There are 29 states in India, each has its own language, culture, food, etc. Different kinds of festivals and wearing different kinds of dresses. This makes everyone's life richer and more diverse. In our own state of Telangana, we can see vast diversity among the people. There are several tribal communities who speak their own languages. Many nomadic tribes like and Lambadas and Banjaras also live in different parts of the state. Hyderabad has been a major center of both Telugu and Urdu poetry. How does diversity come about? At all times in history, people went in search of new lands and settled in new places. Some other times they left their homes due to floods, droughts, epidemics, wars, and conflicts, etc. They brought their languages, religions, and cultures to the new place. The Thar Desert. Thar Desert is situated on the border of India and Pakistan. This place receives very little rainfall and there are no large rivers flowing. Only grass grows here. People here mainly depend upon grazing sheep. The shepherds as well travel across many states with their heads. Many pilgrims going to Dwaraka in Gujarat or to Makkah and Medina in Arabia. Thus, over centuries, people of many religions like Muslims, Jains, Shaivas, Vaishnavas, and Sikhs settled down in these towns and cities. The cattle of this region give very good milk and excellent sweets are made from them. Bikaner, a city of the Thar Desert, is very famous for both its sweets and savories. Sikkim. Sikkim is a small state situated in the eastern parts of the Himalayan mountains. Kanchenjunga, one of the highest peaks of the Himalayas, is in Sikkim. The place is covered with snow in winter. Sikkim is situated on the boundary between India, Nepal, Bhutan, and Tibet. As many as 11 languages are spoken by the people of Sikkim. Sikkim was an independent country till 1975 ruled by the kings called Chogyals. Both Thar and Sikkim are in India. Thar is in the desert region, whereas Sikkim is in the Himalayas. Pondicherry is a tiny state in the southeastern coast of India. Pondicherry attracted a number of European trading companies like the Dutch, Portuguese, English and the French. 1954, when the people of Pondicherry voted to join the Indian Union, Pondicherry thus has a large number of French-speaking people besides Tamil and others. Aurobindo Ghosh and his French disciple, the mother established Aurobindo Ashram. Unity in diversity. Over the past centuries, India emerged as country with shared cultures, religious, political systems, etc. Men and women, Hindus, Sikhs and Muslims, rich and poor, had gathered to protest against the massacre of the British. The diversity of India. Jawaharlal Nehru says that Indian unity is not something imposed from the outside, but rather it was something deeper and with its fold. The widest tolerance of belief and custom was practiced, and every variety acknowledged and even encouraged.